HVAC system tune-up. HVAC, heating, ventilation and air condition, often introduced into a solitary framework. These three elements of the HVAC system are firmly interrelated to give warm solace and to keep up great indoor air quality. HVAC is some of the time alluded to as atmosphere control in light of the fact that it gives warming, cooling, stickiness control, filtration, outside air, building weight control, also, solace control. HVAC is one of the biggest customers of Vitality in the accommodation business, constituting more or less 30% or a greater amount of aggregate expenses. HVAC frameworks that work appropriately are vital in hotel offices and add to worker profitability and visitor fulfillment. Since HVAC frameworks represent so much electric vitality use, each office can possibly accomplish huge funds by enhancing its control of HVAC operations and enhancing the productivity of the framework it utilizes through fitting outline, establishment and book support. It is suggested that you plan upkeep on your warming and air molding frameworks twice yearly by an authorized HVAC builder. Albeit some upkeep occupations can be achieved cheaply utilizing as a part of house staff, others might oblige calling an outside specialist. These support and framework checks are vital to keeping up the execution of your framework, like changing the oil in your vehicle each 3,000 miles. The HVAC system tune-up ought to do the accompanying: replace air channels regularly. Accumulated earth and dust make your fans work harder. Clean channels help framework execution, build hardware life and help diminish allergens in your building. Clean warmth move loops in warmth pumps, aeration and cooling systems and chillers, make beyond any doubt that leaves and plants are not impeding open air curls and have any bowed loops straightened. Notwithstanding sparing vitality, this will likewise build the limit of your framework. Inspect channels and funneling for spillage and missing or harmed protection. Protection is particularly imperative in unconditioned spaces, and broken ventilation work is one of the greatest patrons to cooling misfortune in structures. Make beyond any doubt that furniture or different blocks don't square wind current around radiators, convectors or air admissions and diffusers. Identify any territories in your facility that are unused however are being molded. Consider killing the HVAC to these regions or shutting the vents. Have your fuel terminated kettle or heater looked at any rate every year, prior to the warming season begins. Have the specialist check the ignition proficiency and report the outcomes alongside any recommendations for enhancing heater performance. Learn more about HVAC system, foam insulation related products and supplies by visiting this site http://www.greenfoamduct.com/article source, https://easyinarticles.com/expert/alan_espaso/474683